I immediately looked into those big hitters he mentioned, and he was right. They were all in MLGS, or were for many years at some point. I can tell you I wasn't happy that they had been keeping it to themselves. Mumble, heavy sigh. This guy also went on to mention how when he started recently applying AI to subject headings, his email content, and autoresponder emails, and the AI totally revitalized his results with MLGS. After the stadium lights went on for me, I also discovered several other things like how MLGS can easily be self-funded. I learned that stacking several accounts could help the self-funding process and supply 1,000 more emails daily to work with to get me to the 9,000 level on 5 accounts, keeping everything fresh and the statistics looking good. I learned what sort of emails/leads I was being supplied and angled all my emails to suit that filter. I learned about the 45-day freshness timeframes, and leaving the 9,000 limit in place would practically double the response rates, and that with multiple accounts I would still be okay. After all, if the people had not responded or joined in over 45 emails to them, when would they? I learned that I could contact the older than 45-day-old leads every 4 months, or when a big new deal suitable to those leads filter popped up. The last thing I realized was that AI is my new best friend in all this, and that it can supercharge MLGS, and that it could be an integral part of my daily activities, so long as I stick with it. My initial disappointment in MLGS, which turned into skepticism, has done a 180-degree turn because now I understand. MLGS works and works well if you work with it. I hope you got something from that. Catch you later.